Hi! We are going to make gorgeous sparkly DIY rings today, so buckle up and let's go! This is 20 gauge bare brass wire and I'm using approximately 38 centimeters. Folding it in half and using this wooden craft stick, I'm twisting it. The stick is 15 millimeters in diameter, by the way. I shape the two remaining untwisted wires and then proceeding to adding these 2 millimeters glass beads. And now the best part, the crystal! Yay! This is again from my shop helenadaydreamer.com, link in the description, and it's the Swarovski aquamarine in premium gold-plated 2-hole sew-on setting. It's so beautiful, I love it. Then I'm adding more beads and carefully start twisting the wires again. It's so much easier to hold the wires with pliers. I'm using chain nose pliers here. I then use flat nose pliers to bend the wires sideways. They are better than chain nose pliers in this case, since the nose is so much thinner and so the wire can be bent lower. I bend the wires opposite directions, but I am going to show you all sorts of different options later in this video. Then I'm shaping the ring around my wooden ring mandrel, which is only going to give me a basic ring shape, and I still need to shape it by hand and around my finger to fit me properly. I'm keeping one wire long and one will be cut and then made into a small loop. The longer wire will be then shaped into a spiral, which will sit on the top of the loop. Repeat on the other side. And of course, I could not help it but stick some small flatback crystals onto the spirals because, well, it's me and I love shiny things. If I had to change anything, it would probably be the number of beads. I would probably go for 2 rows rather than 3. But this was the first time I made a ring like this with beads and it's gorgeous. I would just like it a little bit smaller, meaning shorter, since my fingers are not very long. But other than that, it's lovely and the blue, gold and pearl combo is just so cute. So this next DIY ring will be made with the wires bent the same direction, or shall I say one direction. But don't be fooled, this green one is here just to demonstrate what I've done with the purple ring. Confusing enough? Ta-da! Here is the purple one, just like magic. Okay, so all the remaining untwisted wires are the same length. I'm crossing 2 of them in the middle and twisting them 3 times. Then finishing with little spirals on the ends. And then making bigger spirals out of the other untwisted wires. Shaping the ring band and it's finished. It's such a pretty ring, this one. The crystals are called Purple Delight, again set into premium gold-plated settings, and again you'll find a link in the description box. And on to the next one, again made with 20 gauge wire and again with Swarovski crystals in premium gold plated settings. This one is called Scarlet. I am bending one of the wires on each side and pushing the other wires through the small gaps on the side of the crystals, then wrapping it around and pressing down with pliers. You can do it the way I do it or rest your ring on a mandrel instead. Then I'm adding finishing touches with some spirals. Again, I feel like that's all I do in my videos nowadays, twist wire and make spirals. But I love it, and there are so many possibilities. After all of that, I'm sliding the ring back on the mandrel to reshape it. And as you can imagine, I was very tempted to stick flat back crystals onto the spirals, but later decided not to, and I think the ring looks so cool. The red crystals are a lot more red in person, but hopefully you can get the idea from the video too. I have also used this method to make another ring with these small navettes and 22 gauge silver plated wire, but in this case I just cut the second wire off after looping the first one through the little gap next to the crystals. It was an accidental cut, I didn't mean to do it, but it still works. Next time I will perhaps wrap the wire around a few times and then loop the other one through the gap. I hope this makes sense. And if you want to make bigger spirals, then just use any round object bigger in diameter and slightly more wire too. I made this silver ring with Swarovski Beaded crystals in premium silver plated settings and 20 gauge silver plated copper wire and finished them with slightly bigger spirals. And this ring is so simple, feels so nice on the finger too. If your fingers are shorter like mine, you'll probably prefer this one or any that are made with just one crystal and therefore shorter. I made this one with enameled copper wire, 20 gauge again, and Swarovski crystal in silver plated setting. Finished with spirals and yeah, that's it. I would absolutely love to know which one is your favorite. If you like this video, then give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Thank you very much for your support and take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!